Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you could come onto this platform called the Brizy.io and create a high converting landing page easily right here with this website right now. So you just want to make sure you do watch this video to the end, as I'm going to show you how you could go into creating such amazing landing pages such as this, also this right here, and this. All these landing pages right here were created by me using this website right here called the Brizy.io. So kindly make sure you do stick on and learn this exact strategies on creating landing page on this particular platform. So guys, without much introduction, let's just simply jump right into today's video. So guys, first of all, you want to head on to this platform called the Brizy.io, and if you do go onto that particular website right here, you'll be brought to this page where you can actually see more details about this website. This website is used in creating high converting websites and landing pages in a breeze. As you could see, you could collect leads and build no code websites with Brizy Cloud, and it is super fast. Hosting is included on this particular platform. You could actually do go on to sign up and get a free account right here, and you could then go onto your dashboard right here. You could see right here that these are actually easy tutorials on how you could go on to creating cool and amazing landing pages on this particular website. And guys, if you want to know more about the pricing plan and structure of this particular platform, do go on to clicking on pricing right here, where you'll be brought to this particular page and you'll be able to see more of the pricing plans. You could see right here guys that you could gain access to the personal plan, the freelancer plan, the agency plan, or the white label plan, and this is just for the Brizy Cloud right here. And you could also gain some access to some Brizy websites or Brizy WordPress accounts, which is for the personal right here. You could see you could gain access to the freelancer, the agency, and the white label also. But right here guys, I prefer using the Brizy Cloud right here. As you could see, these are actually amazing plans right here which you could gain access to. You could see the respective amount for each plan, and you could see the features of each plans right here in this particular section. So this will actually endeavor you to know which you could go on to registering for, and if you go on to registering for anyone, you could also go on to registering for the free account right there that is actually made available to you. When you do register, you'll be brought to a page such as this, and I prefer just simply going on to the Brizy Cloud right here to go on to editing or creating a landing page right here on the cloud. As you could see right here guys, I have a lot of previous projects right here which I've been creating on this particular website. As you could see, this last one right there is the project 12-1. But if you want to go on to creating a new one, you just want to come right here and click on this plus icon. You want to go on to clicking on the website and landing page. If I do click on create right here, it's going to load for some section. I'm going to create a new project right here for me. As you could see, this is a new project right now. I just simply have to go on to clicking on edit. So once you do click on edit guys, it's going to load through and bring you to this page right here where you can start editing your landing page or creating your landing page right here. So if you do click on this plus icon, it's going to take you to a lot of templates which you could use right here to go on to editing a landing page right here. As you could see, there are a lot of numerous templates right here which you could start making use of. If I just simply go on to selecting this one at random right here, I'm just going to select this right here, which you could just simply go on to editing right now. So depending on what you want to create your landing page for, that depends on how you want to just simply go on to editing your landing page. So basically guys, if I want to create a landing page for a CPA marketing offer, maybe I want to get my offers from this particular CPA marketing platform such as CPA Grip, I'm just going to log into my CPA Grip account. I'm going to come right here to the offer tools, click on my offers, and it's going to take me to a page where I'm going to be seeing a lot of offers right here. You could filter my offers based on any countries of my choice, and I'm just going to select offers from the United Kingdom right now. So guys, if I do go through and select this particular offer right here, as you can see, I'll be showing more details about this offer, which I can actually come right here and copy the unique affiliate link to this offer and go on to promoting this offer. I could also come right here and download this image by right clicking on the image, click on save image as, and I could just simply save the image on my device by clicking on save, and the image will be downloaded on my device as you could see right now. So I'm just going to remove that section right there. As you could see, the image has been downloaded on my device. I'm just going to go back to my Brizy Cloud editor page, which is this page right here. If I want to change this image, I'm just going to come right here, click on the image icon. As you could see, you want to click on this icon right here, as you could see. So once I do click on that right here, guys, I'm just going to click on this cancel right here, and once that has actually been cancelled, click on this upload icon, and you could just simply go onto your device to upload an image. I'm going to select the image I want to upload, and it's going to be uploaded right now on this particular platform. So guys, you can see the image right now has actually been uploaded. I could just simply shift this icon to where I want the image to actually show. You could see right here, I want this section to show, so I just shifted that to that section right here. I could zoom in, or I could just simply zoom out based on my preference right here. So once I'm done with that, guys, you could come right here to change color if you do want to. You could add in a link to this particular image. If I want to add in my affiliate link to that image right here, I'm just going to come to this section, paste in the link, and that has actually been added. I could just simply take that to open in a new tab, or leave that as it is right here. So once I'm done with that particular section, basically you just want to come right here and edit this section based on your preference. I want to delete this particular section, so I'm going to leave that as delete right there. So I'm just going to come right here and just simply type in something like claim a €500 Amazon gift card now. You could come right here, add in a little description, or if you don't want the description, you just want to delete this right here. I could even go on to deleting this section also by clicking on delete right here. Then you want to just simply take advantage of these sections right here, where you could click on this plus icon. You'll be able to see a lot of stuff which you could just simply make use of. You could see right here a lot of elements such as text, the image, the button, and a lot more right here, which you could just simply grab hold of. So right now, guys, I'm just going to make use of this button by dragging this and dropping right here in this section. So for that button, I could just simply change what's the text in that button, such as something like claim here or claim now. Once I change that to claim now, I can highlight the text and go on to increasing the text font. So I could just simply increase the font size right here. As you can see, the size has actually been increased. So guys, I'm just going to highlight that again and add in that link to my CPA marketing offer by clicking on this chain icon, coming right here, pasting the link, and just simply clicking on enter, and the link has actually been added right there. So basically, if someone actually do come right here, click on this link, it's going to take them to that CPA marketing offer, which if they do complete, I'm going to get paid some cool cash. So I could just simply align this right here based on my preference, and once I'm done, guys, I'm just going to come right here and click on draft, click on publish page right here, and the page, and I'm just going to go back and head on to my dashboard, click on go to dashboard, and my landing page has actually been created. Next, you just want to come right here, click on the landing page link, and you just want to make use of a custom domain if you do have one. If you don't, use a subdomain by clicking on choose right here, and you want to just simply choose a subdomain. I'm going to choose something related to Amazon. So if I do select this right here and click on submit, it's going to show me if this is available. That's actually available right now, and that has actually been used. So if I click on this icon, it's going to load my landing page site for me, and you'll be able to see how it actually looks like. So guys, you could see the landing page right here. This is how it actually looks like. So this is an easy way to go on to creating a landing page on this platform. You may also want to just simply come right here, click on new project, click on create right here, and just simply click on edit a project. So right now I'm going to show you how you could actually create your landing page from scratch. So right now, if I do go on to clicking on this plus icon, I'm just going to come right here and create my own landing page without using a template. You will be brought to this section right here. Basically, you want to just simply take advantage of all these tools which you could see in this section. I'm just going to come right here and drag in a text and actually add in this section right here. So I'm just going to go on to copying a text like claim a €500 Amazon gift card. I'm going to highlight that and just simply come right here and align that, centralize that, and I could just simply go on to making that bold. And I could come right here, maybe increase the text size or the font size right here. I could also come right here and change the color of the font to something like red, and that has actually been changed. You could see how it actually looks like right now. I could also come right here, click on this plus icon to go on to adding an image, drag the image icon and drop right here just below this, and I could just simply come right here, click on this image icon, come right here, click on this to go on to uploading an image from this section. So I'm just going to select this image right now. As you can see, the image is actually being uploaded on this particular platform. So guys, once the image has actually been uploaded guys, I could just simply go on further to editing this based on my preference. I'm just going to reduce this size right here. So you can see this actually looks better right now. So once this has actually been done, I'm just going to click on this plus icon right here, go on to adding a button right here at this bottom section. So if I do adding a button, I'm just going to put in something like claim now. So once I add that guys, I'm also going to increase the text size or the font size right there. Once I increase the font size, you could go on to changing the type of font which you do want for that particular section right there. So this has actually been increased. I'm also going to come right here and increase this title. So guys, you could see how it actually looks like right now. I just simply went on to creating a cool and easy landing page on this particular platform. Take advantage of other tools right here in this element section, such as the menu, the forms, the line, the maps, the spacer, the icons, and a lot more right here. As you could see, there are numerous right here which you want to just simply take advantage of. Once I'm done, I'm just going to come right here and publish this particular page right here, and I'm also going to head back to my dashboard. So if I do head back to my dashboard, I'm just going to go on to looking at how that particular landing page actually looks like. But remember guys, you could go on to publishing this by going on to selecting a custom domain or a subdomain, just like how I showed you earlier. And right here guys, you could see how easy and cool this landing page actually looks like right now, which says claim a 500 euro Amazon gift card now. If I do go on to clicking on this claim now icon, it's automatically going to take me to that CPA marketing offer. So guys, if I do click on claim now right now, you can see that it's automatically redirecting me to that CPA marketing offer page, where I can actually do go on to completing a simple survey. And if I do complete a simple survey, the person that actually owns or is promoting the CPA marketing offer is actually going to get paid $1.71 right here just by me completing that survey and submitting my email address or zip code. So basically guys, this is how it actually works. So you can see right here that this is a cool and amazing landing page which I created right here, or a simple landing page which I created with the help of this website right here called the Brizy.io. So why not just simply go on to taking advantage of this website to create cool and amazing landing pages. You could also check out this landing page right here. This was actually created with the Brizy cloud right here, and you could see how cool and amazing it actually is. This is a cool and amazing landing page or a cool website right now. Just simply take advantage of this, create cool and high converting landing pages for your website. So with that being said guys, we've actually come to the end of this video. I hope this video has been of help to you. I hope with this video you do understand how to go on to creating amazing landing pages on this particular platform, or even basic landing pages even as a beginner on this platform right here. So with that being said guys, that's it for now. Why not just simply smash the like button to this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. So thank you all for watching guys. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.